part of the trip was definitely not planned at all. Let's start from the beginning of our day and just walk you through what has happened so far. We woke up this morning and we arrived in St. Martin like we were supposed to, and we got breakfast in the Colonnade while on Seabourn. If you haven't watched the rest of our Seabourn trip, make sure to watch it because it was actually quite awesome. So this morning we ate breakfast, said our goodbyes to all the lovely passengers on board, and we got a, a van? We got a van to the airport in St. Martin on the Dutch side of St. Martin because it's the international one. And then waited for our plane on, funny enough, Seabourn Airlines. They are spelled differently, but we went on Seabourn Airlines. First, our flight was delayed, and then when they said we should be boarding in 15 minutes, the process there is a little disorganized because they are trying to build up after the hurricane they had last year. But it was just a long process to get onto the ship. No, not the ship, I'm still in cruise mode. To get onto the plane. It was a long process to get onto the plane. So we sit on the plane, what seems for a long time already, and we've already been delayed, and we thought that we were gonna make it on time. And when we land in Puerto Rico, from leaving St. Martin, we land in Puerto Rico, and we taxi for about an hour or over an hour, and completely miss our flight. We actually watched the plane that was supposed to take us from San Juan to Atlanta. We just watched it pass us. And I know for sure it was our plane because Delta lets you know what gate you're leaving from, and they put the gate outside. So we watched our plane leave. Plane we were supposed to be on, leaving from Terminal B9. Lovely. So wasn't quite sure what to do, called Delta. They said that we could get a flight out tomorrow for $40 per person, which it's unfortunate that we have to pay, but it wasn't a flight that we had done with Delta that was delayed. It was on another airline, so we will have to pay $80 total tomorrow to get to where we need to go, unfortunately. But we decided to stay at the Marriott hotel that we stayed at in August. And if you haven't seen the review I've done on the hotel, make sure to, or the room tour I've done on the hotel, make sure to check that out. Same layout as last time. The only difference is the balcony has a different view. The one we stayed in August was a whole lot better. So definitely check that one out because their view is just amazing from that video. Let's head to dinner because I am hungry. Didn't think I would be here this soon, but since we missed our flight, we are here in Puerto Rico again. They have made changes to the hotel since then, so today what I'm going to do is give you a little update to what they are doing, especially I think most of the updates have been happening on the ground floor downstairs.